What up guys, Matt6 here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to take your Dappnode and connect it with a VPN, so that way you don't have to manually connect to its wireless signal every single time you want to access it. So the first thing you're going to have to do is log into your Dappnode, or whatever your old method was, probably connect with Wi-Fi, then go over here and click VPN, and then I'm going to show you the WireGuard version, but it also works with OpenVPN as well if you would rather use that. I'll also leave a link in the description to the help guide that I'm following to help me make this video. Also guys, if you would like to get your own Dappnode, then definitely use my code MATTLONG6 to get a very nice discount off your very own Dappnode. Definitely go check it out. They also have a Hopper version and a whole bunch of other options for you. Select the one that best works for you. So one reason you may want to set up a VPN is, so if you use the Wi-Fi connection that I mentioned earlier, then that's going to assume that your Dappnode and whatever device you're using to connect to it are on the same network, using the same router. However, if you're using a VPN, then you could be miles away and still be able to connect to your Dappnode and control it from wherever you are. So one thing you will have to try to keep in mind when connecting with the VPN is that if your Dappnode reboots or loses connection to the internet, once it finally turns back on or connects to the Wi-Fi, it's gonna take maybe 30 to 40 minutes before you're able to remote connect to it again. So now that we've decided we're going to use WireGuard, let's go ahead and give the device a name right now. Right now I'm going to use my desktop. Click add device. So now that you got that all set up, let's go ahead and go to WireGuard's website and download their VPN. Go ahead and download it for your device, and let's go ahead and install it. So what you're going to need to do now is go ahead and add a new device. So I'm going to call this test and add. From here, go ahead and click get link, and then copy everything in here. So I'm just going to hit copy config, open up WireGuard. Don't click add tunnel, click the drop down menu and add an empty tunnel. Go ahead and select all of this and delete it, and then paste in what you just copied and click save. And you can see in the background right now we are connected, but if I click deactivate, I no longer have connections to my Dappnode. So let's go ahead and activate it, so that way we have connections again while connected to my home Wi-Fi rather than connected to the Dappnode's Wi-Fi signal. And there you can see I activated it, and then in the background here it's working. So now I want to go ahead and quickly show it working on my phone as well. It's the exact same steps, similar methods and everything like that. I have Android, but it works on iOS as well. So I'm going to go ahead and test to make sure that I can connect using my mobile hotspot, just to make sure it's a remote access instead of only a local access point. Now, one thing to keep in mind about the VPN is, earlier I was talking about local and remote connections. If you're going to be using the same router, like you have an Ethernet cable from your desktop computer over to your router like I do, then you are going to want to use your local credentials. If you are going to be somewhere else out of your house and you're not using your house Wi-Fi, then you're going to want to use the remote credentials. So as you can see, I'm able to connect just fine with my phone. I'm able to take a look at my packages, and everything seems to be working just fine. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. Let me know how else I may help you with your Dappnodes, and don't forget to use my code MATTLONG6 for an awesome discount if you want to buy your own Dappnode. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, and as always guys, stay safe, trade safe, and God bless. Peace. But you can trade between crypto exchange.